This video will walk you through the process of setting up QC samples and managing their test results to identify analytic errors. Go to the Application Settings module and switch to Form Configurations. Switch to the Samples module and press Add. In the Add New Type window, enter a new type, tick QC Sample, enter a new sample ID and press Add. Now switch to Test. To add a new test type, press Add and select either Quantitative or Qualitative Test Type. Select a test group from the existing groups, or add a new group using the Add New Category icon. Specify a unique test code and a test ID prefix. To associate a sample type with the test group, click the Browse icon, tick the QC sample type, and press Select and then Add. To enter QC samples in CloudLIMS, go to the Sample Management module, select the newly added QC sample type from the drop-down menu. Click Add Multiple Samples. Enter sample information such as the sample ID and press Save. Now go to the Test Management module. Select the test group and the test code associated with the QC sample type from the drop-down menu. To add a test, click Add Test and enter the test information. To associate QC samples with the test, click the Browse icon, select QC samples and press the arrow button. Press Input and then Save. To enter test results, select a test and click Result Entry. In the Results Entries window, you can enter the test results such as observed value and unit. To save the results as a template, click Add QC Sample Template, enter a template name, and press Save. Now press Save Results. Thank you for watching. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call +1 302 789 0447. Thank you.